Hi everybody, it's Julie, and I'm here to continue the Romantic Valentine Happy Mail series. So we started with this little mini flip bag. We've added the tassel and this and the paper clips, and we've been making this little mini junk journal. We have some tags. I still have a whole lot of pieces of the kit left, and the kit did sell out. Let me know if you'd be interested in me trying to put together another kit. It would not be the exact same, but it would have a lot of, like these, I only had 4 of them. That's why I only did 3 kits. I had the one that I'm using, and then the 3 that I gave in the kits. And the same with the quilted paper, I only had those. So I am looking to see if it would be able to add another kit. So what we're going to do today is I am going to make a paper tassel. So this will be able to add on to your bag or onto something else. So for the sake of time, I've already gone ahead and I have, this paper was included in the kit, and what it was another piece of the quilted paper. And the quilted paper was actually a mat stack, and it looks like it was 5 inches across, and then I cut it to 2 inches. So each kit got one piece that was 2 by 5. So what I've done is, again, I've gone ahead and taken my scissors and cut it up to about a 1/2 inch from the top. Okay, you might have scissors that'll do this. Your Cricut or your Silhouette might do it, but I just did it by hand. I'm going to go ahead and use my ATG gun to go ahead and get this started. And so I've added basically a strip of glue. I'm going to go ahead, and you did receive red wire in your kit. I'm going to cut a piece about 5 inches. Okay, so 5-inch piece of wire, of the red wire, and I'm going to just put that so that it is in the center. You can go ahead later and put it through, but I'm going to try it this way this time. Okay, so this side, I'm actually going to start at this side. So we need a little more. You want to make sure that your glue goes all the way to the edge. Okay. We're going to start on this side, and hopefully my thumb will let us do this. Should have tried it before. Okay, so, and then you're just going to go ahead and you're going to start rolling it. Okay, and you're going to just roll it along, still starting it. And the ATG will help it stick to itself. It's much easier to do it where it's already sticking. Okay, so you can kind of get an idea of what we've got going on here. I'll pull away so you can see. Okay. And we're just going to go ahead and push it along. Push it along. So I have the kits are ready to mail as soon as our little post office opens today. And that was exciting. My husband was home and he got to hear the the little thing go cha-ching, cha-ching. It's kind of cool. Okay, so there I have rolled it along. I'm okay with the fact that it's got a little bit of a lip, I don't know what you would call that, but I like it. It actually, to me, it gives it character. The other thing I have included in the kits is some of the faceted bling that I get at Michael's that I love. And for this one, it's going to take six spaces, 6 little blings. And this is actually, we don't want to lose that because that's all I get to use is what's in the kit. So don't want to lose any of the little pieces. So we're going to go ahead and cut this off. And you see where the edge is here. I'm going to cover that. And just wrap this around with the last two. Oh, you know what? It's 5. It's 5, not 6. Okay, so we have an extra one. Okay, so come around. Sorry about that. It's 5, not 6. And there we have the faceted bling is attached. I have this little bling here. I'm going to go ahead and put this down right there. Oh, it lost its sticky. Oh, it was upside down or something because it's sticking now. Very strange. Okay, so back to the little tassel. So now this is my box of the goodies that I still have that I can use. And I should have in here, I have one of these. And then I had run to the store and got more pens. So we're going to go ahead and use a red pen this time. And this is one of the erasers that I got at Dollar General. We're just going to push it through. Okay, so we've taken a pen that has a pretty pearl bottom, pushed it through, and then we're going to use the rounded jewelry pliers about in the middle. And I'm going to go ahead and turn it and make a circle. It came right back to itself. Okay. And that gives us the little charm circle. Okay. And then, okay, so you use it like this and go around, and then you can go the opposite way to center it. Okay. There we go. And now we're going to have this dangle from the bottom. And you could just, you could stick, if your wire was thicker, you could just stick your wire through there. You could add a bead down here. But I have these erasers and I'm making charms out of them. So I think that will be perfect. Of course, I should have. Okay. Unrounding. I'm going to go ahead and put my charm in and round it along with it. Oh gosh, there. Can't even blame that on the thumb. That was the wrong hand. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and bring this in. Okay, you want to make sure that when it doubles, it goes in the charm. Okay, so there we have our little dangle, and we can go ahead and center it like that, and then we're going to pull it up inside. That I can blame on the thumb. Okay, so we'll pull it up inside, and then we come up here, and if I'd have given another bead, we could add another bead, but I didn't put other beads in the kit. So we're just gonna go ahead. Oh, you know what I can do? I have this. I did go back and I added some gold thread. So you have the choice of either using the white thread or this gold thread to bind your book. I would probably use the gold if I'd thought about it to start with. Okay, I'm just going to go and cut a piece. There's this sparkly gold tool in the kit. And I'm going to cut a small piece off. So let's go here. I'm going to go ahead and make myself a... Okay, let's try and keep it in the same spot. There we go. Okay, so I went around and around and around, and then I clamped it flat. Okay, so there we go. And what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to just come around underneath the circle part, and I'm going to tie a bow using this gold piece of tulle that I've now turned into a ribbon. You could also cut a piece or two of this tulle and add it to your tassel to add a little gold to your tassel. I would probably cut a piece that's a little bit bigger, and then cut it and kind of tie it together, because it's only, it's not quite long enough for your tassel. But it could go in there and just be like some swipey, wispy pieces. Oops. Okay. So there we go. So we just have a bow that just gives us a little more personality. And then I think we have one more paper clip, or actually we have, don't fall, I don't want to have to pick all that up. Other stuff is falling now. Okay, so I have this bobby pin that's red on one side, and I'm going to go ahead and we'll try this. Okay, so this could go in from the side in a junk journal or your paper crafting. Okay, and it can hang off the side of the book. I thought this could actually go on our journal, and I'm just going to attach it here. Okay. Down the center. Okay, so there is our little tassel attached. The other thing that I know that I wanted to do was to come back and tie a bow here. I was going to tie a little bow. So these end up showing up in the center of our little book. instead of down at the bottom. Okay. So like that. Okay. So that is our little paper tassel that we are adding, and we have made using the kit. And this is how those pins come. I get them at my $1.49 store, but you might find them other places. I've also seen the ones that have the gold tops. They're a little on the expensive side, but they're really pretty. They have them either at Michael's or Joann's. You could also use boutonniere pins. Boutonniere pins are a little bit longer than these. These are only, they're a 1-inch pin. And so for this particular project, they work really well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, put them down below. If you're interested in, if you think I should make more of the romantic Valentine kits, please let me know. Also, the download for the Valentines will be available probably over the weekend. I have them there. I just need to check and make sure that it actually works. So I have that. And there you go. If you, yeah, so please, I'm sorry, I totally drew a blank. My timer's going off, and so I need to be on my way. Have an amazing day. Find something to celebrate. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.